So guys, today we're at the beach, as you can see. Plage. Oh yeah, it's actually a Collège de Plage. And if we look around, it's nice and small, but it's got a lovely view of the sea right by there. We're going to go kayaking later, hopefully, and hopefully go over to our raft as well and do a couple of jumps in. You can just see it in the background there. So that should be fun. We did lose Sophie's granddad for a while, but he's come back now. So hopefully we'll get some good things today. You never know. Georgie, let's have a look at the dead. Let's have a look. Georgie, let's have a look at it. What have you got?
A dead crab.
Oh no, did you kill it?
No.
Yeah, I think you did.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, we didn't.
She killed it.
No, I didn't.
Okay, we believe you. Lexi, tell us how you make garlic bread.
Are you running out of anchovies?
Oh, that is garlic bread, but how do you make it?
I've heard.
I've just told you.
Like,
Get
there's not as many as there used
Yeah.
to be.
Mix butter and garlic.
Yeah.
Spread it on the bread.
You spread it on the bread. Where'd you put it after you spread it on the
I want
bread?
sloughs to go extinct. They're
Oh,
slowly
plate.
moving down, but it's taking
Pardon?
time.
In the oven.
In the oven. Brilliant. Good. Now tell about your hatred of sloths.
I hate them.
Your hatred of sloths. Okay, so we're all here now. We've all got meals. Let's put that's a single meal. That's a single
Do you mind if I squeeze
That's a
this all
double
over?
meal.
Oh, too
No, it's
late.
fine. It's absolutely fine. It looks absolutely stunning. We got mussels, prawns, sweet sauce sausage in
We'll
there as
save this
well.
one for when
Absolutely
we get
lovely.
something.
Hi guys, so we've now we're going for another swim. Gonna get some pictures of some lovely fish under the sea.
Smile. Is it a video?
Yeah.
The best of your best item. Don't
Let's have a
talk
look.
about. Pull them to the side.
Yeah.
Pull them back, not out.
That's
Fine, they look too tight now. That was like the worst.
poor.
That was piss poor. Boy, that was poor. Where's your goggles gone? Oh no! Who are they, Laura's?
Where are they?
Where are they? Warren!
Oh, he's going in his hand.
No, Warren, say wash your hands. You're an idiot, you better tell Laura. Yeah.
It's harder when you concentrate.
I can't see any. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Lovely view of your auntie right now, not gonna lie.
Please get a photo of that.
I've got it on video.
See, yeah, but we can't upload these on Facebook.
Oh, I don't know if I got that on video or not then. Your uncle just went absolutely backwards. Who's off next? I know. Who's going to go in for your auntie? She's going. It's going to be her or Laura.
I wanted to get a haircut.
Oh, please fall in, get your hair wet. That'll be me. He's trying to say follow me, but.
She's a kid,
Hi guys, thanks for watching my vlog. Make sure to go back and check out all the rest of my videos. We've got some cool ones there. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.